Yo. Alright, today is April 24th, 2025. Um, I was telling myself maybe I need to trade a little something different, like maybe CL or gold or something to see how that's doing during this time of volatility. Because I'm starting to trust my trading setup more and more every day, but I see that ES has been doing some weird stuff, especially yesterday. Hopefully, just yesterday. But anything that is Trump says one thing or says something, the market just does. Any news, even real or not, the market just does something that's unexpected, and I don't like that. And actually, let's see if um, if CL or gold did the same thing during that time yesterday. So I'm going to the 1 minute time frame. That's where I'm able to see it the most, and see if we did get that weird bounce around that time. And if not, then I think I'm just screwed until I'm able to figure out. It looks like we did. There goes that 11 o'clock one. Yep, we had one at 10 o'clock. Price just we had one at 10 o'clock, and we had one right at the open. And we had this. This is the open. Yep, weird shit. Yep. And then we had one at. Let's put a side by side chart. Let me get another chart. Let's use this one here. Let's maximize that one. All right. So we had 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, 37. Shit. It looks like it doesn't matter where I go right now. See, I did the same thing. It goes to 11 o'clock, same exact thing. The 10 o'clock, not so much. Right, not so much on the 10 o'clock. And then we had that open where he had this huge move up where it's just crazy. Alright, this here was ridiculous. Alright, so let's check gold. Let's see if gold had the same reaction. Wednesday, right? Okay. So it was 37, which is here, right here. So no, gold was very steady. That's good. Then 10 o'clock, gold just dropped. It didn't go all over the place. So it went in one direction, which is good. Right? Held this and then dropped. And then at 10 o'clock, it did have a spike at 11 o'clock. But the level maybe could have been better. This one spiked in both directions. This one just spiked up. So gold did not move too much. So gold may be a favorable one. I'm gonna probably try to monitor gold to see how gold reacts. I'm gonna probably just add some levels and then just look at gold afterwards to see what we get from gold. What day is this? 23rd. Need to be probably down this side more. Alright, and then gold does seem to have a bit of a move. So this here, alright, gold is not moving like, doesn't look like it's moving like crazy. So I may be able to profit off of gold, or at least not profit, but create levels off of gold. Alright, so the market does open up soon. Not sure what I think that's showing. My thing showing here. Sheesh, I'm being a dick. Alright, so let's go to the daily. Strong sell. 4 hour. Alright, we had a level here. You can see that price came to it. Nice absorption and ready to go. Yep. 1 hour. got the absorption there. All right, bam, and then ready to go. That's all after hours. 1 hour. Don't really have anything. 30-minute. All right, it has this here. I'm just being quick with it. Alright. Like that. Quaint little level. Probably had one here or something similar. 15-minute. I'm just looking for just support and resistance. Got another one. Got a 15-minute right here. Might be too tight. And then 5-minute. Probably what that was. Alright, came down to it and rejected. Alright, and then 1 minute would just be chaotic, right? A lot of levels being thrown around. So we'll look at gold later. Okay. So this can go back to this. Back to where it was at before. Alright, let's go to this level here. Let's put you back to VIX. Let's go to ES and let's see if anything changed overnight. From here we got a dump. Yeah, it's starting to look like we want to actually move up. Alright, we had a dump, so we see this dump is actually still there. We touched it, looked like we are done with it after touching it. Alright, we got a new 4-hour one right here, so this is still kind of fresh. 1 hour. This should say low. Probably was tired yesterday. 30-minute. So that's no longer good. Even though the thing is still trying to show, but I'm not gonna. I'll just draw the line. So the line's already there. So $15-minute. Okay. 5-minute. One minute. What the heck is this? This is ridiculous. .3 candle. Another one right here. This is 305, 739. Some weird spikes. That's all I can say. So I don't really have anything changed with that. I'm gonna go to so if nothing is majorly changed on ES, likely NQ might be the same thing. And then after the market, we have earnings for two things. All right, it's just huge spikes right at yesterday's low. I'm gonna put settlement price. All right, so we're at settlement price, just sticking around. May not even be worth even having it there. Let's go to the same thing. Oh, that's all destroyed. Let's go to daily. So both have that. 4 hour. Alright, so this is creating a resistance area. Alright, so all of that will be gone. We're at a previous 30-minute level. Alright, price really bounced off of that nicely. Alright, nice bounce off of it. Bam. Moved up. Let's go to 15-minute. Same thing. So two of them. Bam. Right, that one would have been good. Looked like we kind of worked it out nicely towards the end of the market, and then tried it again here. And then now we're there. So we're gonna see what this 1 hour gives us. Okay, yeah, so it's a support line. All right, 15-minute, 5-minute. Not really much. Okay, let's add settlement price. This is settlement price. Alright, we're all over settlement price, so that's probably not gonna be good. Alright, let's go to VIX. 4 hour, no, daily first. Let's see if it also got something. Yeah, it got something here. That's an absorption. Hopefully price bounce up. I want to see the market drop even more. 1 hour. Alright, we got this here. I'm gonna mark this now. Mark it like this. Alright, because I think it should be touched there. And it's gonna be 1 hour abs support. Alright, down like that. Let's show it. Alright, okay. So ES&Q went below their low and moved. VIX did not go anywhere above the high. 30-minute. Okay, so this is also a support on the 30-minute. 30-minute and our support zone. Okay. 15-minute. It's also a support zone on the 15-minute. Boy, it's gonna be a heavy ass zone. Five-minute. So looking like it's also supporting the 5-minute. I wouldn't be surprised. It's also supporting the 5-minute. Wow. Alright, so it's a heavy ass zone. Alright. So that's basically it. Alright, let's do side by sides now. I think I can close this one out. I only have 2 charts up, right? Yeah. Where's my side by side? I guess that was supposed to be the side by side. Whoops. Alright. Detach. And from there, side by side. Okay, we can get rid of these. Actually, no. Let's look at them. Yep. Huge. Huge. Alright. Huge absorption levels at those levels, right? I didn't see them before like that. Now I do. Didn't see them before. Alright. 4 hour. Okay, I do gotta get rid of them. I can't see anything. Alright. 4 hour, we have that there. They all seem to have something there. Alright, so this is going to be an exquisite spot. Especially 4 hour wise, but 1 hour wise, let's add the 4 hour into that, because why not? Because it's might as well. I don't want to have to say I didn't add it and I end up ignoring the fact that it's there. Alright. So this one here is on all of them for fix 1 hour. This one doesn't. It doesn't have the 1 hour. This one also has the 1 hour. Alright, so we got that. And I'm gonna stop soon and then just get ready for our session. I want to see this bounce. 1900, 5460. Looking for a huge reversal. Looking for something that tells me price will sell off. 30-minute. 1 hour. Okay, 30-minute. All right. Price still has a gap. A gap right there. 15-minute. Anything sticking out? Anything sticking out? Not really. I mean, we got this here, but I'm not going to sweat it. 5 minutes. Not really. We got kind of this here, but this is on both ends of the candle. Strong selling up here from yesterday. All right, so that's that. I'm not gonna go to the 1 minute and confuse myself. Okay, so that's that. We can reduce this down to the bottom, and we're basically done for today. All right, so I got this here, my tick charts, just so I can see the levels. I will, I'll be changing them from time to time when need to. Other than that, I'm done. I'm not gonna try to force anything or sweat anything, or make the market try to make the market do something for me when it's not there to do that. All right, so after today we do have I think we have, I don't know who we have as earnings, but we have earnings for two of them. Unemployment claims at 8:30 came out, and then we have existing homes at 10, and a speaker at, and we also have natural gases. And here, so 8:30 and 10 and 10:30 is what's going to be that. And let's open that up anyways, just see who is the earnings. Intel and Google. All right, so after the market closes, Intel and Google. We had Tesla last time. The market moved up after it closed and then dropped during the session, and then we'll see what happens with this one here. I don't think Intel and Google has too much to do with the current administration, so but we'll see. I think they may still have taken a hit though. All right, so that's it for today. Close all that out. Close that out, and just being patient now. All right, too many stuffs here. Now I believe the higher time frame will be my goal as far as clarity. There's just too much stuff on the lower time frame. Okay. All right. Be back later.